y'all. Today I'm having some barbecue. Yes indeed, it's that time of year for some barbecue and I'm excited. I got Rollin' Smoke barbecue and isn't that cute? Got the little devil pig. Yep. This is Kool-Aid. I don't know what kind of Kool-Aid, because it was like house choice or whatever. They didn't like it, so I was like, okay, let it be a mystery. I'm excited. Look at the pig. Rollin' Smoke barbecue. Oh, hell yeah. I got a whole pint of the banana pudding. So, that's not a pint, but 2 makes a pint. I just had to. And here's my 2 sides that I got. I got the bacon potato salad and barbecue kicking beans and cutlery for 3 people. Oh wow. Oh, Lord have mercy. All right, let me put the baggie down. So I got the 3 meats and I got a beef rib, which was an extra $10. I got the burnt ends, which was an extra $4. And I got the hot links, which, you know, they didn't like try to charge extra, but whoo, that's okay. I'm excited, y'all. Let me do a little bit of video and I will be right back. Okay. Pause. Okay, y'all. Whoo. I'm really excited about this because I've been craving one of these big old delicious beef ribs. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited, y'all. Okay, first I'm gonna get a drink of the Kool-Aid and see what I got here. They did not send a straw either. No biggie, but I've got plenty of straws on the cart over there. Let me see. Let me make sure my bag's open in case I have trash. Fall over. Okay, there. All right. Let's see. There's fruit punch. All right. So yeah, my last video I had a fruit salad, and today instead of fruit I was craving meat. Let's have some meat today. Got a fork. Let me get the spoon out because I'm gonna need a spoon for my beans. I even have a little salt and pepper packet just in case my potato salad ain't seasoned enough, I reckon. All right, whoo, where to start? All right, my favorite. I want the sausage first. Sausage. Oh. Oh, it was 2 little pieces. It's a spicy sausage. Let's see, I have, their little cups have the piggy on them too. Cute. What does it say? Oh my God, I'm so blind I can't see. Our world famous original the hell does that say? Arkansas. So it's an Arkansas style barbecue. Ooh, sweet and tangy. Mmm. Okay. I'm down for that. Mmm. All right, I'm gonna get a piece of burnt end. Ooh, it's so fatty. The burnt ends, do the burnt ends come from the biscuit? Or do they come from, I don't know. I don't know barbecue. Mmm. Mmm. That's beef, so it must be brisket. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, and it's super fatty. Oh. Y'all know how I feel about the fat. I will eat it. Mmm. 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 Man. Mm. Okay. Get a bite of the tater salad. Mm-hmm. So a little bite. Mmm. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. That's good. Almost got the loaded mashed potatoes. Mmm. Mm. But that's got so much. Okay. All right, I want a bite of the beef rib, but I'm gonna try to do me a little thumbnail here, so y'all bear with me. Mm. Okay. Mmm. 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 Oh my God. Mmm. Oh, that's good. Mmm. The bark on the outside, the char. Oh my God. Mmm. That's so delicious. Mmm. Mmm. Mm-hmm. It did need some sauce though. Mm-hmm. Ooh, mama. Oh, I love me some barbecue. It's just so damned expensive. It's not something I treat myself to very often. And a lot of the times I'll get ribs and stuff like that. And the ribs that I make in my oven are more than often better. Mmm. Ooh. Mm-hmm. These are meaty and saucy. Mmm. I love beans too. Mm-hmm. Everything is plenty seasoned though. Plenty, and it's good. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah. Mm. Mm. Their bacon is so crispy too. see. I don't want to pick them. Mm. 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 Mm-hmm. Mm. Oh my God. Mm. 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 And I didn't shut the hell up. Oh, that's so good. Ooh wee. Mm. I'm just gonna put my hand in it. Mm. 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 Oh. Mm. And just take all the meat off. Mm. Oh. Mm. 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 There's that skin. Something hit the floor. Something that sounded crunchy. I'll find it. Mm. 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 People probably don't eat that. I'm gonna eat it. Mm. 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 Oh my God. Mm. Mm. I'm gonna stick this. Mm. Mm. Got my lids and stuff over here. Mm. Mm. Oh my goodness. Mm. Damn. Get a little piece of bread. And see, I could have ordered like cornbread, all that kind of stuff. But I knew they usually put like a piece of bread underneath all the barbecue. Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. 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 Mm-hmm. Mm. My Lord. Mm-hmm. Oh, I'm happy. This moment in time, I'm as happy as I can possibly be. Woo! That good old barbecue. Oh man. Ooh. You like a good mustard potato salad? This is like hitting. Ooh. Oh. A piece of sausage. I'm gonna dip. Oh God. Whew. That barbecue, when you really get into it, that Arkansas sauce, it's got some spice. It's really good though. Ooh. Wow. Oh God. Pieces of bread. Another nice fatty piece of the burn-in. Gosh. Goodness. So good. Las Vegas, Nevada. Ooh-wee. All right. Let me get into these beans really good. So meaty. The spice is nice too. Mm-hmm. Oh my God. Oh, I need to pause real quick. Ooh, the spice is doing things. All right. Pause. Okay. All right, let me get a fresh napkin. A couple. Whew. Whoa, excuse me. Mm-hmm. That was a delicious cow. Mm-hmm. Mm. 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 Oh my God. Mm. Y'all, I hope you're having a wonderful week. Mm. Wow. And I'm gonna have to say, my week has been fabulous. Fabulous. Mm. Mm. Absolutely nothing to complain about. Oh man. All good things. Mm. 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 Mm-hmm. Mm. God. Mm. 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 Ooh, I'm getting full. Mm-hmm. I'm getting super full. So I've got a few bites of sausage, a few bites of the beef rib, and a few bites of burnt ends left. And same thing with my sides. But I seriously need to stop with the food so I can eat my... Mm. Oh my Lord. I need to put my extra utensils away. Oh my God. That was incredible. That was absolutely incredible. I am so pleased with my choices today. Pleased with my choices. Mm. And I will have banana pudding for later as well. Mm. Woo! I just had a tinnitus. And it's like, woo! Hold on. Go away. Ooh. Man. It's still going. Wow. All right. That's so pretty. It's like little layers and stuff. Dig all the way down. All the way down. Ooh, yes. Yes, indeed. Wow. That is good. Ooh. Get some with vanilla wafer on it. Oh my God. Yum. How many of y'all out there like barbecue? How many of y'all out there can barbecue? I mean, that's the dream, you know? A nice house with a nice backyard barbecue setup. And either a man or a woman that can barbecue. Let's get out there with the kiss the cook apron on and all the good tools. Nice barbecue grill, smoker, you name it. I can grill a steak if I have a little hibachi or whatever, but you know, I've seen people do the smoking, the like smoke their meats and stuff, and it's like an all-day process, and I don't know nothing about brisket. You know, I'm like, you know, that whole, it's a foreign concept to me. You know, I will eat it and I will love it. You know, and I've never like grilled like hamburgers and hot dogs and stuff like that. But I'm assuming if I can manage to grill a steak and it turns out okay, that I could probably do burgers and stuff. I don't know about chicken though. I'd be kind of scared I'd undercook chicken or overcook. I don't know. I'm not very confident about that. I'm still trying to perfect cooking a steak on the stovetop. You know, sometimes it'll be a little too done. Sometimes it'll be underdone. You know, and I've started like really using the meat thermometer, and that helps. The last steak I cooked, which I just got some steaks, so I'll be cooking some steaks, but the last one I cooked was a big T-bone, and I've cooked ribeyes on the bone, but the T-bone has the bone like running right in the middle, and that like added a level of difficulty, you know, because around the bone it's going to be like cooler and more difficult to cook. But somehow I managed to do it just absolutely perfect. I was like, how did I do that? But I kept like poking it with the meat thermometer just to see, you know. And when I got like the coolest spots, just to the one like almost to 160, you know, which that's almost too done for me. But I think it's like anywhere between 140 and 160, and I'm like, okay, I can handle this. I mean, I like my meat mooing typically. Oh my God. dessert was had. Y'all, that was like one of the best things I've eaten in a minute. The beef rib, it was worth the extra 10 bucks because it was super filling, number one, but the burnt ends, I think, might have had the better flavor of everything. It was all good. It was all good. I'm like already looking forward to eating more, but I'm too damn full. So I'm gonna kick back in my chair for a couple of hours, and then I'm gonna have me a meat snack. Ooh, anyway, kept it light, kept it food. No crazy whatever. No like anything other than food and enjoying my dinner and spending time with you. I mean, I didn't have a lot to talk about but the food, but here we are. Anyway, I love you guys. Thank you for hanging out with me today, and I will see you next time. Mwah. Bye now.